What I am going to say might challenge your belief. I know that you want to manifest something. Maybe you want to be rich, maybe you want to be happy or more spiritually evolved. But where you are now might not be where you want to be, am I right? But there is a reason for this, and it is because everything which is around you, every event of your life which you feel like you dislike, you want it to go away, you want something better, well, you are in harmony with it. Sounds crazy, right? Why would I be in harmony with being broke? Why will I be in harmony with depression, with stress, and so many negative things? What you repeat in your mind become your reality. Maybe you want to be rich, but when you drive to work, you think, traffic, I hate it. Oh, my job, I hate it. My boss suck. I hate my life. But every time that you say any negative affirmation, you are manifesting it into your reality, because God, the universe, and your subconscious does not know the difference between good, between bad, between jokes, between reality. So just take a moment and become aware of your daily thought. Are they mostly attracting negativity to you, or are they in harmony with the life that you really want to have? Because really, remember this. This is one of the most powerful things that I understood and changed my life. Whatever is around you, whether you hate it or love it, you are in harmony with it. And now you just have to decide, with what do you want to be in harmony with? Is it with wealth? Is it with spiritual growth? Whatever it is, begin to affirm with the word I am. But just this is not enough. No. You also have to embody your manifestation. Let's say you are rich now. Would you care about being stuck in traffic? You will not, because you got all the time in the world. There is no issue. So the next time that you are stuck in traffic, don't manifest lack with your negativity. You can affirm anything. I am so happy and grateful that I am rich. I am so happy and grateful that I have unlimited time. I am so happy and grateful that the present is perfect as it is. I am abundant. I am wealthy. But don't just affirm it with word. You must affirm it with your emotion. Feel love, feel gratitude. And like I said, embody your manifestation, which means that don't be a part-time manifestor, because this doesn't exist. All your thoughts are manifesting something. Therefore, you must be all day long aware and controlling your thought. Whenever there is a negative one, switch it for a positive one, and you will become in harmony with the life of your dream. If you found any value in what I said, please like, comment, and especially subscribe. And to manifest your reality from the non-physical to the physical one, write down in the comment in an affirmative way, what is your dream life? What is your dream inner state? And as everyone will read it, they will even manifest it unconsciously for you.